Hi everyone, this is Chandra with Wild Root, and today I want to show you one of the new little adventures that we're going on. I want to take you on a little walk around this property. We're going to take a look at the greenhouse, and I'm going to point out a few little plants that I've already identified, and we're going to hopefully discover some new ones. So right here I'm standing in my front yard, and you can see we have kind of an overgrown patch right here, but I've been able to identify some of the plants that are in here. So we have a lot of Spanish needle coming up, and I've been watching the bees and the butterflies are still gathering nectar off of these plants. We have a bunch of cannas are coming up. I also have a large leaf bamboo over here. You can see a whole bunch of Spanish needle. Oh yeah, the sun is setting. You can see over here the moon is starting to come up. Yeah, we'll take a walk down by the water, but that's the bay over there. Yeah, it's beautiful. I've seen some ospreys and some eagles. But here, let's walk over to the greenhouse. One of the plants I just recently discovered over here is what's called a turkey tangle. I had no idea what this plant is, but I'm going to do some more research on it. It seems to be a really good ground cover. I have tons of this honeysuckle growing all over the place. This is the one with the white flowers. Oh yeah, we're getting a nice sunset. I have a lot of ant mounds out here. Check this out. This is so cool. We have a lot of orchid pots. I don't know what I'm going to do with those. Maybe we'll start some orchids. But check out the greenhouse. The guys have been replacing the glass, and we have a few more pieces of glass to go. But it's pretty much a raw slate right now. You can see, ooh, we do have some water, but they got to fix that. And they tell me that the vent mechanisms do work. I'm going to get in there and work with them hopefully this week, see if we can open those up. And they did say we have electricity too, so probably get a big box fan out here. And then outside, you can see that used to be the shade cloth. It's metal, and those were benches. So we're going to try to put the shade cloth back up, but if we can't, I'm just going to buy some cloth, shade cloth temporarily. Wow, look at that sunset, you guys. This is part of the old greenhouse over here. You can see it really got messed up from the hurricane, both sides of it. So some of the plants I've identified already is we have some goldenrod. It's already bloomed and now it's dry. As you can see, that's what is up there. I have a mimosa tree over here. I'm thinking that this may be a really good place to grow elderberries. Oh, I'll have to show you the plantain. We actually have plantain out here too, just common plantain. We're walking toward the water now. Oh, here's some evening primrose. We have some camphor weed out here as well.
Oh, some beautiful oaks.
That looks like a osprey. It's living, every time I come down here, he's up in this tree. Looks like we have some yucca plants here. These beautiful camellias. A lot of different kinds of ginger out here, I'm sure. I wanted to show you this tree right here. This is a gorgeous glossy privet. It's also called Ligustrum lucidum. And in traditional Chinese medicine, it's called Nu Zhen Zhi. It's just beautiful. This tree is beautiful. We're kind of losing our light, so I'm going to wrap this up. I just wanted to show you where we're going to be working, show you some of the plants out here. I've only walked a few times out here, so I'm still learning the land. I'm still learning about what kind of plants are out here. This looks like another large leaf bamboo. Okay, everyone, we're going to end there for today. And we're going to do some more walks around the property. We're going to keep identifying different plants. I just wanted to show you how gorgeous it was out here. and introduce you to a few things and show you the greenhouse.